Welcome to TalentAI Copilot, an autonomous multi-agent hiring platform. Let's walk through the entire hiring flow. Step 1. Resume. Candidates upload their resumes. The platform automatically parses and extracts key candidate information, including skills and experience. Step 2. AI agents. A collaborative network of intelligent AI agents analyzes the parsed resumes, evaluating candidate fit from multiple dimensions. Step 3. Interview. The platform conducts automated AI interviews, evaluating the candidate's answers and communication skills. Step 4. Hiring. Leveraging smart recommendations. The system generates hiring insights and decision support to help select the best talent. Step 5. Dashboard. HR teams can monitor the entire pipeline, viewing insights, analytics, and key performance indicators in real time. TalentAI Copilot makes hiring intelligent, autonomous, and efficient. Powered by Gemini, Vertex AI, and Google ADK.